Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get a summary and a transcript from any YouTube video you like. So get the transcript and then how to send it into ChatGPT to make a summary, all with one click. It's pretty wild. And you can, again, use this for either your own videos or maybe there's educational videos that you want to learn from and you don't have time to listen to like 2 hours of talking. You want the highlights. Easy to do. All you need to do is install an app from the Chrome store called Glasp. I'll put a link in the description below for those of you that want to follow along. And then once you've got it, you're going to see here, I'm just going to close this off. So I'll put the link in the description. You'll see right here at the top right, there's something called Glasp, social web highlight and YouTube summary. If you do not see this, click on this extensions button here, this little jigsaw, and make sure that the Glasp is pinned. And if you don't see it here, click on manage extensions like I just did there, and then make sure that the toggle is on so that it is up and running. Okay, let's close this now. Let's go back to YouTube and let's walk through it. The next step is to pick the video that you want to get a summary for. I'll state up front here that summaries for shorter videos are generally a little better because it's hard to sometimes put 500 words for a 2-hour long podcast. So just keep that in mind. Shorter videos tend to do better, but yeah, it works for everything. So in this case, I've got one here about a text to video, a new app that came out. So I'm going to click on it right here.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another.
And this is all it is. And it talks about this new app called Decoherence. I'm going to now click on share and I'm just going to copy this. So I'm just got the URL just in case. But now you just head up here to the top right and then click on right here, transcript and summary. You see that? It's got Glasp, transcript and summary. You get 3 options. The one that I like to use is this one here, View AI Summary. This opens it in a new tab. However, if you just want the transcript in plain text, click this button and it'll copy it. But for us, we want to run it through ChatGPT. So I'm just going to click that button and then see if I can't load it. I got to reload it actually because I turned it on and off. So let me do that here. I turn the app on. So click transcript and summary. Click on this button here and bang, it opens up inside ChatGPT. And then here you go. You'll see here, here's the summary. It just copy and pasted it in. And then here's the video summary prompt. And now it's just writing it for me. So that's all there is to it. Keep in mind, if the summary isn't good, I like to do this sometimes, rewrite, but longer. Just type that in and it will redo it if you want a longer summary and a little bit more detailed. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to Glasp. Thanks for watching.